Hi, welcome to bestbankingjobs.com. Now we are going to see about the priority banking program offered by NIIT, and it's a assured job opportunity with Axis Bank. Please subscribe our channel and please visit our website www.bestbankingjobs.com and share this video to your friends. We update you all the latest jobs available on banking. Now get into the priority banking program. It's a program that gives prime talent a great start to their career with an assured job as a deputy manager in sales and relationship manager role at Axis Bank with a CTC of 5 lakhs. So it will be very good opportunity for the graduates. Even the postgraduates can attend it, and for the graduates it is an interesting and it's a worthy opportunity. See, the window is open. I will provide this link on the description. You can make use of it. Now I will provide all the details. It's an assured job in sales and relationship management role. It's a sales and relationship management role, and your salary is 5 lakhs per annum, and the program is for 1 year from NIIT University, and during the course you will get stipend and salary during the program. Provisional offer letter will be issued by Axis Bank during the admission. It is not at the end of the course. During the admission of the course, you will be receiving an provisional offer letter, and successful completion. Final offer will be during the successful program completion. There is a deputy manager role is guaranteed, and the future is not guaranteed. It is the future is based on your performance. But at the entry point as a deputy manager graduate with the Axis Bank is guaranteed. The gross salary is inclusion of loan benefits. So you will get the CTC is 5 lakhs. It includes loan benefits and bonus, indicative bonus as well. Now get into the earn during the program, pay after getting the job. Yeah, it's quite interesting. It sounds interesting. What you will learn? You will earn stipend of 12,000 per month during the 3 months of internship, and earn salary during the 2.5 months on the job training at Axis Bank. Starting salary of 5 lakhs post successful completion of the program. I will explain it during the next points. The program fee is 2.25 lakhs excluding GST. So you should add 18% GST to 2.25 lakhs. Let's see the payment plans. If you avail loan, as admission fee you have to pay 10,000 plus GST. Loan available on balance fee of 2,15,000 GST at 13% interest rate with Axis Bank. The Axis Bank itself will provide you a loan with 13% rate of interest. The EMI will start after 6 months after starting the job. Okay. It's first 1 year you are not going to pay, and the next 6 months you are not going to pay after 1.5 years. So 6 months starting the job, it will be deducted from your salary. That is if you avail a loan. If you have cash in your hand, but if you are ready to pay, the program fee is 2,25,000 plus GST. Let's see what is the installment. At the time of admission you have to pay 1,02,500 plus GST. Installment 2, start of the term 2. Okay, it has 2 terms. The first term you have to pay 1,02,500 plus GST. During the second term you have to pay 1,12,500 plus GST. It is if you have your own money. And the loan I have already explained. The priority banking program advantage. It start with Axis Bank, assure job as a deputy manager. Start as a 2 level above the entry level position. That is, you are joining at the 2 level above. You are joining at the 3rd level. Grade is deputy manager, 3rd grade. Below there is a chart regard to that. I will explain to you. It's a PG diploma course, 1 year from NIIT University. Just a postgraduate diploma in banking and relationship management. You are not only getting the job, even after 5 years or 10 years, you are moving from Axis Bank also. In your resume, you can add it as it's an MBA equivalent valuable degree. You are getting a postgraduate diploma in banking and relationship management. It will be more interesting than theoretical subject. It will be more interesting. The course will be more practical. It's as MBA level. Your starting salary is 5 lakhs per annum. What is the program highlights? The program is an initiative of Axis Bank in collaboration with NIT, IFB, and is a combination of campus on-the-job training to make a future a ready banking professional. It's a 6.5 months in residential campus. That is, for the 6.5 months you are going to study inside the campus, and the 3 months paid internship. At the above you have read, no, you have seen 12 months during the internship. See, this is the, for the 6.5 months there is no salary. For the next 3 months you will be paid 12,000 per month, and for the 2.5 months of on the job training you will be paid more than that. It is not mentioned here, but you will be paid more than this. During the after 6.5 months you are going to earn. For next 3 months it is 12,000, and the 2.5 months it will be your salary, I think so, but it is not mentioned here. But you are going to earn more than that, because it is an internship and it is the job training, so your salary will be more. After 1 year your salary CTC is 5 lakhs. It is an industry mentor, it's a PG diploma. Day 1 your job is ready. It is quite different, and it is quite good to study with the assurance of job. It is always good. Priority banking life, great salary and perks. Yes, you will have very attractive incentives as well when you work, and you work with the HNI customers of the Axis Bank. Definitely, as a relationship manager, you are going to work with the HNI customers of Axis. Accelerated growth path. Yes, since you are directly getting into deputy manager grade, your growth path will be really high. Achieve the extraordinary. Yes, let's see. See, it's an interesting thing. See, you are joining as a deputy manager. See the levels. If you are if you are a graduate, that when if you join, your primary grade will be officer, and then you can move to assistant manager, and then you can move to deputy manager. Even if you take 2 years, it will take 4 years for the graduate to reach, if you are a good performer. Rather, but here with the 1 year course you are directly reach into the deputy manager. It's like you are using an escalator. You are directly getting into as a deputy manager. Even if you are an MBA graduate, the maximum possibility is getting inside as a assistant manager. From AM to DM, after pursuing MBA, to move from AM to DM, it will minimum take 2 to 3 years. So it is worthwhile to pursue the course and complete the course and join as a deputy manager. From here, 2 years to 3 years you become manager, the senior manager. It's quite interesting. See, in a 10 years tenure, at least you can reach these points very easily. At least the AVP role in a 10 years time, or DVP role 10 years term, it's very interesting. It's very good. You can reach good salary. Education. What is the eligibility criteria? If the eligibility criteria is, you should be more than 50% in 10th, 12th and graduation. Final semester graduates candidates with greater than 50% aggregate till the previous semester are eligible. If you are pursuing the final year of the graduation, then you are eligible for it. Should be in regular mode. Distance learning, vocational open schools are not allowed. All your studies should be in regular mode. For the candidates having gap in education, only up to 2 years of the academic gap is allowed. After 10th or not more than that. Okay, in between there is a gap. The 2 years is maximum allowed. Above that it is not allowed. Mandate all academic certificates of 10th, 12th and graduation you have to proceed. You have to submit. Age criteria, it is should be 20 years of the age at the time of admission. You should be minimum 20. Criteria, candidate with a maximum of 3 years of work experience can apply. If you are already employed somewhere, let it be into banking or let it be into some other industry, up to 3 years of work experience can apply, or the graduates can apply, or the postgraduates can also apply. Be future ready in 3 steps. The program consists of 3-step simple step selection process. After the submission of application form and clearing the eligibility criteria, the students go through the screening process, post the successful completion of which guarantees your admission in the program. Yes, see that you have submitting the application form, and then online assessment and NIT interview and Axis Bank interviews there before enrolling to your to the course. So you are going to submit, you're going to attend the online assessment, and then NIT interview, and then Axis Bank interview. It is before the admission of the course. If you are passing all these things, you will be admitted for the course. Then only you are going to pay the payment. Once you pay, there's no other interview, that you are getting into the job directly. Working with these are the seniors reviews. The priority banking program is initiative by Axis Bank. Acquire strong customer interaction, sales and relationship management skills, becomes hands-on financial analyst. It is about 6 months residential program at NIT University. Yes, where is the university? The university is at Delhi, which you have to note. The curriculum is the 3 months internship. During the 6.5 months, you have to be at NIT University. It is only at Delhi. There is no alternative. But during the 3 months internship at Axis Bank, you can be posted anywhere at your area. May not be. It's not required to be go to Delhi. If you are a Delhian, okay, you can go for that. Other persons can Tamil Nadu. It will be within Tamil Nadu. Karnataka, it will be within Karnataka. Okay, so it is no need to go to other states during the 3 months internship, and the 2 months job training also. It will be within your locality, not within the states. Mostly they will prefer the locality. See, you can find here the curriculum of what you are going to study during the 6.5 months. It is the campus of IGI Airport, Delhi. This is where you are going to study. Of course, it's very good looking. It's like an MBA campus. Nearly it is about the NIT. Let's see the FAQs. If you have any doubts, you can reach to 1800-200-8976 from 9 to 7 p.m. Monday to Saturday, or you can send a mail to the mail ID. Who should join? Yes, at the 20 age, work experience 0 to 3 years. Selection process, it is an online assessment and NIT interview. That is already discussed, but definitely rather than the government bank exam, here the assessment will be a bit easier. Definitely the government exams, those who try government exams regularly and fail can make use of it. Student will be placed as a priority banking relationship manager at a deputy manager grade at any Axis Bank branches, where the training will happen. As I already said, the campus is on Delhi Jaipur highway. Eligibility should be good communication skills. You will be receiving certificate, graduate, postgraduate diploma in banking and relationship management from NIT University. Offer letter from who will receive an offer letter? Axis Bank or NIT. Offer letter will be issued by Axis Bank. Total fee is 2,25,000 plus taxes. What and all will cover in 2,25,000? The program fee includes 6.5 months of residential training, 5.5 months of guidance internship. The student will be receiving 12,000 stipend. Will be paid salary. It seems from the 5.5 months, 6.5 months after the training, during the last 2.5 months, you are going to receive the salary itself. It seems so, paid salary. The fee includes cost of training, accommodation. You have not the 2,25,000 includes cost of training cost, accommodation cost, and food will be free inside the campus. And any expenses, natural expenses, you have to bear the expenses. Once you are selected, you have to pay an admission fee of 10,000 of getting the admission letter. The balance amount you have to pay before the commencement of the training. What are the documents you have to submit? PAN card, Aadhaar, birth certificate, accommodation details, revealing letter from previous employees. Will need refund my fee if I exit in between? It's an important question. The program fee will be collected in 2 installments one term stops, there will be no refund. Once the term stops, there will not be no refund. If you wish to leave the program before the commencement, then the fee is refunded excluding the admission fee. See, if you before once the program starts, there is no refund. But if you leave before the commencement of the program, the whatever the fee you paid, it is getting refunded. It's a good one. What is the role of NIT program? Can I learn? All these things have been discussed already. Your final year graduates can apply for it at any bank branches. Okay, it is an important question. Can I choose my location of posting? Yeah, it's a discretion of the bank. You cannot choose, but you can prefer. You can share your preferred locations. If it is available, the bank will give preference. When does the EMI starts? In case I have taken a loan from Axis Bank, EMI will start only after 6 months of joining the bank. So you will get a time up to 1.5 years approximately. So you all have one doubt, is you have to pursue this course at the Delhi campus. Yes, but currently due to COVID and lockdown situations, it is an online. So of course the course time itself only 6 months. If you are idle, if you have more time, since the course is going to pursue online, it is there. It is noted there. The course will not wait till the lockdown is over. The course is going to start immediately. So rather wasting time during the lockdown, it will be very useful if you start at least 3 to 4 months will be over. If you think taking consideration of the current situation at Delhi, 6 months itself will be an online. It is not assured, but the possibility could be more. The 6 months training itself will be online mode. I hope it would be very helpful. It's a very good opportunity for the graduates and the MBA as well. And for the graduate, it is very good useful because rather pursuing MBA, if you just 1 year you are getting into Axis Bank as a deputy manager, just don't miss, guys. Make use of it. Thank you. Please share this video to your friends. Thank you.